Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. This is Stan here with you. Hope you're all doing great today. Well, I just purchased a high pressure washer from a brand called Resqtech. This is a made in India product. I usually purchase all my hardware from a brand called Bosch. Well, recently I thought, okay, why don't I start looking at Indian brands that are equally as competent as the foreign brands such as Bosch. Now it's not that Bosch does not fail. Even Bosch products do fail, and then it's difficult to source the parts for those products. So considering that, I think it's better to go for Indian made products where spare parts are easily available. So this is one such brand. We're going to unbox it right now, so stay tuned. So let's unbox it. The whole package weighs around 12 kgs. So first you get this inlet hose. The material looks of good quality. Then secondly, you have this. So I think this is the outlet pipe where you attach the spray gun to. I think you attach a spray gun here. I'm not sure about that. This also seems of very good quality. Yeah, this is the foam bottle where you spray the foam detergent. You have an instruction manual. You'll have to read this carefully. You have another instruction manual as well inside here. And you have a lot of connectors inside this. I'm not sure what these are for. There's some kind of pin and a washer inside. I think this is a 90-degree nozzle to spray the underbody of the car. And then this is the manual. So this is the spray gun. The plastic is of decent quality. I wouldn't say it's as good as Bosch. For the price, it's pretty good. Yeah, so this Resqtech high pressure washer costs around 10,000 rupees. It's way cheaper than Bosch with similar specs, and this is also an induction motor, so it's very powerful. And there's one more stuff inside. Finally, we have the induction motor. It's pretty heavy. Wow, looks pretty cool. So this is how it looks. Super cool. Can't wait to power this on. It looks awesome. So this is the high pressure washer induction motor. It weighs roughly around 9 to 10 kilos, and the plastic is of pretty decent quality. It looks pretty cool. Oh, it's very heavy. At 9 to 10 kilos, it's pretty heavy. There's a switch here. I think it's an on-off switch. Yeah, it's an on-off switch. And there is some inlet and outlet. I'll have to look at the instruction manual to see how to connect it. Then we'll power this bad boy on. So this is called the trigger assembly. There's an on-off switch underneath. And this is called the lance. And this is the high pressure hose. So first you'll have to connect this high pressure hose into the trigger assembly. To pull it out, you'll have to press this trigger so it gets released. And this is called the lance. So the lance fits into the trigger assembly like so. And you'll have to turn it, I guess. Yeah, that's it. You'll have to fit it in and then turn it. Okay, so I figured out how to connect the hoses to the machine, but before that there was a warning given by the manufacturer written in bold, which mentions please use white petroleum jelly Vaseline regularly on the black rubber O-rings at both the end of the hose pipe. So we'll definitely have to follow that instruction since it's given in bold. And here are the O-rings, as you can see. So we'll have to lubricate this with white petroleum jelly or Vaseline. I have Vaseline here with me. See, and there's an O-ring here also. You'll have to lubricate this, both these O-rings. So here is Vaseline. Let's take a little bit and lubricate the O-rings. So those are the only two O-rings. Now you'll have to connect this hose into the trigger assembly. Let's see. That's it. And then you'll have to connect this hose into the inlet of the machine, and this is the inlet of the machine over here. Okay, then just screw it. And this is the water inlet hose. This end goes into the water bucket and this end will go into the machine. But before you connect this into the machine, you'll have to connect this connector into the machine here. Just rotate it. There's an O-ring here also. Let's lubricate this as well. Wherever there's an O-ring, we'll just lubricate it. We're not taking any chances. That's it. And then you'll have to connect this end of the connector over here. Just pull it back and push it and then release. That's it. It locks into place. And that's it. So that's it with the assembling. Now all that's left is to connect it to the water supply and power supply and see if it turns on in the first attempt itself. And if it does, it's great. So let's go ahead. So this is how it looks after it's completely set up. And goes to the tap. The pressure washer is so powerful that it removed the paint from the wheel cap. So that's how powerful it is. So yes friends, I hope you saw how it performed. It performed really well. It was really very powerful. So this machine is actually rated at 1800 watts power and 135 bar maximum pressure. So for this price range, it's pretty good. If you want a similar model from Bosch, it will cost you anywhere 17,000 and upwards. So that's how much value for money this machine is. And this brand also gives you a 2-year warranty. Bosch just gives you a warranty of 6 months for your products. So compared to that, this is very good. So I'll definitely extensively use this machine now in future for all my vehicles. And I'll definitely put it through its paces and I'll let you know if anything goes wrong with this machine and how the company responds in terms of customer service. So all that I'll update in future definitely for you guys. And I hope you enjoyed today's vlog, and if you did, please do hit the like button. Do consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't done already. And until next time, this is Stan signing out. Bye bye.